Every productivity guru on the internet has lied to you. They want you to believe that to be organized in Notion, you need to understand complex databases, coding, and 50-page habit trackers. But if you clicked on this video because you just want a simple, peaceful place to organize your brain, without feeling like you need a computer science degree, you are in the exact right place. Give me just a few minutes, and I am going to show you how to set up your entire life in Notion from scratch. No confusing templates, no technical jargon, just a blank page and a fresh start. Let's build it together. And make sure you stick around until the end, because I am going to show you a 2-click secret that guarantees this new system will never get cluttered. The biggest mistake beginners make is treating Notion like a spreadsheet. I want you to completely erase the words database and coding from your vocabulary right now. Just picture a normal, blank physical notebook. In a physical notebook, you write on lines. In Notion, you write in what we call blocks. A block can be a simple sentence, a checklist, or an image. That is the only secret you need to understand today. Everything on your screen is just a block that you can move around. Step 1. To taking back your digital life, start completely blank. Do not download a template. Templates are built for someone else's brain, and trying to force your life into their system is exactly what is causing your overwhelm. We are starting fresh. To build anything in Notion, you only need one tool. This is your magic wand, the / key. Anytime you want to do something, just type a / on your keyboard. No digging through messy menus. Watch this. I type a / select page and hit enter. Boom. You just created your new home base. Let's title it HQ. Add a nice icon and pick a calming cover photo. Take a breath and look at that. In under 30 seconds, you've built a digital space that actually feels good to look at. Now, let's give your brain a place to rest. We are going to build a system using the rule of 3 to prevent decision fatigue. We are creating exactly 3 sections. First, a brain dump for random thoughts you need to get out of your head. Second, tasks for what you actually need to accomplish. And third, the vault for saving your notes and research. Getting things out of your head is instant. I hit my / key, grab a to-do list, and write down my main task for the day. Like writing my new Dodgers video script. Down in the vault, I can quickly drop in my specific research notes about the Dodgers packing their bags and heading west for the sunshine of Southern California. Everything has a clear, obvious home. And if you change your mind, just click and drag. Think of it like digital Lego. You can move any block anywhere you want, at any time. You literally cannot break this system. You now have a completely working stress-free dashboard. But remember that secret I mentioned earlier. Let me show you one quick magic trick, just to prove that this minimalist system can grow with you. If your to-do list starts getting a little too long, just click right here and turn it into a board. With 2 clicks, you went from a basic list to a highly visual workspace where you can drag your tasks across the finish line. You do not need 100 interlinked databases to be productive. You just need a space that makes sense to you. Keep it simple, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. If this video finally made Notion click for your brain, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment with the word blank below if you are starting your fresh workspace today, and I'll see you in the next video.